Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Zoho One CRM. So you want to use the Zoho One CRM. Here's a quick and straightforward guide on how to get started. So the first thing you have to do is create an account on the Zoho website and choose the Zoho One plan. And after that, customize your CRM by adding models, field, and layout that suits your business need. Then after that, you can import your existing data such as contact, leads into Zoho CRM, and after that add a new leads and contact manually or through a web form. Then after that, track your sales pipeline by creating and managing deals. And after that, you can also automate your workflow. So to set up automation rules to streamline your process. After that, you can also simply generate a report. So use the report tools to analyze your data and make informed decision, and that's how you can use Zoho One CRM. That's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.